What's going on, everyone? Legendary Camera Guy here. Legendary Rose not with me at the moment. In fact, she's gonna be gone for a while. I'm pretty much by myself for today. She's actually out with her mother now. She's going shopping for my birthday. She won't tell me what she's getting me, damn it. Anyway, she's gone shopping for that. And she's also went shopping for my dad's birthday, which is actually on this coming Friday. And then she's also shopping for Mother's Day. So, yeah. And on top of that, my parents have given me some money to splurge on. So I'm going to get my car washed, get my oil changed, and get the interior done as well. So when I come back, you're going to see a much cleaner interior. And we vacuumed, wiped down, and everything. I was not expecting this. I gotta admit, they kind of blindsided me with that. But I like it. And I thank them for it. I greatly appreciate what they're doing for me. So, without further ado, this will be my first vlog without Miss Rose here. So, honey, when you're watching this, I love you. And, yeah, I want to get my car washed and you'll get to see what I did. So, let's get this day started. Well, here I am at Lone Star Car Wash in the Colony. And there's my car. Getting my car washed. Got the oil changed. Now I'm getting it washed and detailed. I'm gonna get the interior done. It's gonna look nice and fresh when it's all done. Can't wait to show you everyone. Looks like I'm gonna be here a while. They are busy. But in the end, it'll be all worth it. Yeah, my car has been needing to be washed for the longest time. So, it's finally getting the wash it deserves. And there it goes. That's right, get nice and clean. Scrub-a-dub-dub. That's what I say. Yeah, my car looks dirty now, but it'll look nice and clean when it's all done. And sorry about all the crap on the window, but that's just how it is right now. And there she goes. I want to go outside and see how it looks.
Barely do, but yeah, probably yeah. It is a good experience because the other place all I did was 4 times. Oh yeah. So now I have to get that. Yeah. Well, I'm not playing, man. I mean, you can go anywhere. Go on the beach and get a job. Yeah, right.
There's a better look at my car. Just getting it dried off. Now it's about to be shampooed. So I mean, the interior is about to be shampooed. So just a little bit longer, and then it'll be done. Can't wait to see what it looks like after it's all done. But yeah, anyway, that's my 2009 So we'll see what happens. And yeah, there goes my car. Making it around shampoo. So what's up, everyone? Back in the car now, all freshened up. So let's see what it looks like, shall we? I got everything wiped down, the dash and everything. Floors are vacuumed, the seats have been shampooed. Everything just looks so beautiful. Lone Star Car Wash did a really fantastic job. So those of you who live in the Colony area, if you haven't done so, and you're looking for a good place to get your car washed, go to Lone Star. Go to Lone Star on Main Street because they do a fantastic job, and it's really worth the money there. I got the shampoo deal for like I believe $49, and that's compared to most other places around here, that's actually not bad at all. So I gotta give these guys 2 thumbs up for a great job they did. Now let's look at the back seat. As you can tell, sorry about some of the junk back there, but the back seats have been shampooed as well, so you can see the plastic. Not sure how the camera is looking, but there we go. Yeah, there's my chair. Sorry about that. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. My car is looking fresh, all thanks to Lone Star Car Wash of the Colony. So, Lone Star, great job, you guys. Thank you very much. Now, still out here running errands and waiting on my fiance to be done with hers. Rose is still with her mom, out shopping, and she's also getting her nails done. Typical girly stuff, but hey, that's her thing. Let her do her thing. She can do whatever she wants. So yeah. So now I want to get an outside shot of the car. So let's go see what that looks like. Here's my car. Here's my car right now. Looking all fresh, all cleaned up. The tires have been done. Got a triple foam treatment. Windows and everything about it is just so fresh. So let's go see what the front looks like. Oh yeah, looking nice. Very superb job. Let's go see what the back looks like. Okay, oh yeah. Looking very fresh. So once again, big shout out to Lone Star Car Wash of the Colony on Main Street. Y'all did a fantastic job. I love your work, and I will definitely be coming back in the future. So, let's continue on with the day, shall we? So yeah, I hope y'all like how the car tuned out, but I really love how it's looking right now. Just, I don't know, just hanging out right now. So, we'll see what else needs to be done. And, yeah, let's continue on, shall we? And here I am, back at home, and look who's back home with me.
Hello.
How was your day?
It was fantastic.
Yeah, even though you went to Red Lobster without me.
Yummy.
You gonna tell me what you got for my birthday?
No.
Well, sure. Why don't you share with the whole world what you got me? She won't tell me.
No, I won't.
Why not?
Because you're gonna wait until your birthday.
But what if I don't want to wait?
Too bad.
Yeah.
Mm.
So, anyway, we both had a long day. I got my car cleaned, as you know. I got a radar detector. Been needing one for the longest time, and I finally got one. And let's see what else. I wandered around Walmart a little bit, just to see if there was anything else I might like in the future.
Which
What-
Wally World?
The one here in Louisville.
Oh,
Why?
just asking.
Which one did you go to?
What here in Louisville?
Well, there's two of them to keep in mind. The one on 3040, and then there's the one on Main Street. I was on the one on Main Street. You were on the one on Main Street, weren't you?
Uh-huh.
Well, luckily we didn't run into each other then, huh?
Exactly.
So, what do you... Oh, you're watching Dead Files, right?
Yes.
Huh?
Waiting for my other show to come on.
Yeah, this is what she watches when she's not doing anything else. She watches these boring old ghost shows. Watching shows about dead things and dead people.
Yep.
Wow, she just admits to liking dead things. Who watches a show about dead things, you ask? Well, look no further than here.
I do, yes, okay?
You like dead things?
No. No, what? I like watching things about dead people. Okay, that sounded wrong. That sounded terrible.
You hear this? Are you... Oh my god! What is wrong with her? Oh my god! You get a kick out of dead things. You like dead bodies or something?
No.
I would certainly hope not.
I like things with ghosts.
So, in other words, what you're trying to say is you like the paranormal.
Yes.
Whatever gets your jollies off, okay?
Okay.
Whatever, how you get your jollies off.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Okay. That's all I needed to know. Alrighty then?
Alrighty then.
Yeah, I love you.
I love you too.
Glad to have you home.
I'm glad to be back.
We're back home. Everybody's home. So, hooray! Well, I think that's gonna be about it for you, for us tonight. Thank you so much for watching. And we thank you for dropping by.
Yes, thank you very much.
We hope you enjoyed watching this. And we hope you enjoy watching our other vlogs. And as usual, there'll be plenty more to come. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and favorite.
Yep.
She's out of it. She's
I'm
totally
tired.
out of it. She's been
I've
out.
been up since 9:30.
Hey, I've been up since 9:30 as well. So,
How come you're not tired?
I'm good like that.
Sure.
I am.
Okay.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
You know, we could make... Oh, never mind. I could just start going, hey, you,
No.
city,
shut
city,
up,
bag,
shut
bag.
Up, shut up, shut up,
How do you do?
shut up.
City, city,
Shut
bag, bag.
up.
No, not on my blog. Fuck. Anyway, yeah, thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and favorite. And we'll see you next time.
See ya.